Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing how to fix the can't reach site error in Chrome. If you're experiencing difficulties accessing certain websites, don't worry. We've got you covered with these simple steps. Let's dive in. Step 1. Start by pressing the Start button on your computer to open the Start menu. Step 2. In the search bar of the Start menu, type Control Panel and press Enter. This will open the Control Panel window. Step 3. Within the Control Panel, locate and click on the Network and Internet option. Step 4. In the Network and Internet section, find and click on Network and Sharing Center. Step 5. Next, identify your active network connection and click on it. This will open the Connection Status window. Step 6. In the Connection Status window, click on the Properties button. This will open the Properties window for your network connection. Step 7. Within the Properties window, locate and deselect the Internet Protocol version 6, IPv6 option. This will disable IPv6 for your network connection. Step 8. Once you have deselected IPv6, click on the OK button to save the changes. Step 9. Finally, click on the Close button to exit the Properties window. By following these steps, you can resolve the can't reach site error in Chrome and regain access to the websites you were having trouble with. We hope you found this tutorial helpful in fixing the can't reach site error in Chrome. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more troubleshooting tips and tricks. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below and we'll be happy to help you. Thank you for watching and happy browsing.